guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my video review for the Crocs Classic Clog. I was really surprised how comfortable these Crocs are. So here I am presenting 3 best Crocs Classic Clog. The first one is Crocs Man and Woman Classic Clog. 100% synthetic, imported synthetic sole. Crocs for everyone, with a color and style for every personality. The classic clogs are the Crocs women and men need to start a comfort revolution around the world. Lightweight and fun. The Crocs from men and women feature lightweight, Iconic Crocs Comfort, ventilation ports and breathability, and help shed water and debris quickly. Designed to fit. These slip-on clogs are easy to take on and off while being extremely durable. These Crocs even offer pointing heel strap for more secure fit. Wear for any occasion. These men and women Crocs serve a great house shoe, but also ideal for the beach, pool, gym, shower, walking, or even grinding. Crocs for women and men. The Crocs Classic Clogs are not only the most comfortable shoes for women and men, but also easy to clean just using soap and water and allowing for a quickly dry. The next one is Crocs Unisex-Adult Classic Tie-Dye Lined Clog. Imported synthetic sole, timeless, fun, and full of peaceful good vibes. The bright tie-dye cross for men and women add the perfect groovy statement to any style. Grounded in comfort and skipped with personality for all age, the frizzy supplier clogs are the Crocs women and men need to rock whatever you choose to roll. Incredibly high and easy to wear, the Crocs clog for women and men are created with core style foam, offering dual Crocs comfort that is peaceful, supportive, soft, and curdling. The colorful and frizzy Crocs clog are fun to wear inside and out. The clog can be personalized with charm for your own personal flair. The last one is Crocs Ralen lined clog. Made in USA or imported, embrace the famous Crocs comfort built-in footbed nubs promote healthy foot circulation, made of the core style material, ergonomic styling, and automatically designed to fit your feet. Soft and frizzy textile lining. This shoe should fit very loosely to allow the foot to move naturally. Imported measurement. Weight 7 Z product measurement were taken using size men's 7, women 9. Please note that measurement may be vary by size. Weight of footwear is based on a single item, not a pair. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.